GMA 7.
Kapuso Pride shines bright sa 7th Village People Choice Awards. Wagi bilang TV Station of the Year ang GMA Network. Ang parangal tinanggap ni GMA Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez na nakakuha naman ng People of the Year Award.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa 7th VP Choice Awards para sa karangalang ito. Tamang-tama, 7th year nila. So, GMA 7 Station of the Year. Thank you very much.
Sa pagbabalita, kinilalang News Anchor of the Year si 24 Oras Anchor Vicky Morales. News Reporter of the Year si EJ Gomez. Sparkling as ever din ang Sparkle GMA Artist Center na kinilalang Artists Powerhouse Agency of the Year na tinanggap ni Sparkle GMA Artist Center First Vice President Joy Marcelo. TV Supporting of the Year si Marco Masa para sa Akusada. TV Supporting Actress of the Year ang kanyang kapwa PBB Collab 2.0 ex-housemate at Akusada co-star Ashley Sarmiento. Nakuha naman ni AZ Martinez ang New TV Female Personality Award at People Sexiest of the Year second place sa Female Adult category.
It's a big responsibility to be looked up by people and actually see you as a personality. I'm very grateful for everyone who made this possible.
People Sexiest of the Year second place din sa Male Adult category si Dustin Yu, na itinanghal ding Supporting Movie Actor of the Year para sa Shake, Rattle and Roll Evil Origins. Nakakuha rin ng parangal bilang Fandom of the Year ang Dustbia ng fandom ni na Dustin Yu at Bianca De Vera. Si Mika Salamanca ang Viral TikTok Video of the Year para sa kanyang viral Sino Nga Ba Siya video. People Face of the Year first place female teen category si Kapuso Big Winner Caprice Cayetano.
Sobrang nakakatuwa po at syempre na-appreciate ko po lahat ng nag-vote sa akin, lahat po ng nagmamahal sa akin. Kaya thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
People Face of the Year first place male teen si Heath Hornales. People Face of the Year first place male adult si Will Ashley. At People Face of the Year second place sa male teen si Mad Ramos. VP Cover of the Year si Kelvin Miranda, habang VP Spotlight of the Year si Kayla Davis. Ito ang unang balita. Aubrey Carampel, GMA News.